Hi, Assalamualaikum. Um, my name is Muhammad Saiful Hisham bin Zaid Azhari and my matrix number 01DKA19F1063. Okay, for introduction, the graph data that I choose for the title of my presentation was titled Plastic Waste is Out of Control. I get this title on Google search page. I choose this title as the title of my presentation because it has a lot of data and easy to me to explain it. Next, I choose this title because it's compared year to year, so it will make my presentation become more interesting. Besides that, this topic is also a hot topic to discuss because it involves environmental issues, that is the uncontrolled disposal of plastic materials that can affect the environment in the future. Now I'm going to explain the graph. First of all, as you can see, the title of this graph is Plastic Waste Out of Control. There are two bar graphs, which is first total plastic made and second is total plastic thrown out. I choose the graph for this topic because I want to compare things between different groups. So I label the blue one as you can see as graph 1 and the orange one as graph 2. The title for y-axis for graph 1 represent the total plastic made and the y-axis is type of industry. Next, the title for y-axis for graph 2 represent total plastic thrown out and x-axis is type of industry. Same as graph 1. I am going to describe the graph 1 first, then graph 2. The total of plastic made increased sharply from industrial machine to packaging. There was a dramatic increase in packaging industries, about 81 million metric tons to 65 million metric tons in construction. For graph 1, you can clearly see a slight increase in the graph from 47 million to in consumer product to 47 million metric tons in others. However, there is also an improvement in industrial machine to electronic. Next, for graph 2, there also a drastic increase in packaging industry and reached at 141 million metric tons. The peak of the graph. For graph 2, then there are slight improvement from 37 million metric tons in consumer product to 38 million tons metric. In others, total number of plastic thrown out in textile rose dramatically and decreased steadily to 30 million metric tons in construction industry. So this explanation for the graph. Thank you. As conclusion, I have described about the trend of change of the graph on the topic that I have choose. Therefore, a big chunk can be seen from the graph that I have made that the creation of plastic in a relatively large amount of scale can lead to uncontrolled disposal of plastic. Next, uncontrolled disposal of plastic can have an impact on the earth and the environment. So we need to take care of the environment by reducing the use of plastic and not throwing plastic evenly. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Miss Nuraini. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Luqman Hakim bin Kialun Ahsan and my registration number is 01DKA19F1069 and I am from class DKA 4B. For the introduction, the graph that I've been choose is about the bar graph. And the title of my presentation graph is about the cases of COVID-19 pandemic in each country on 19 April 2020. By doing some research according to Google page, I choose this title as my presentation because of our current situation around the world because of this pandemic COVID-19. The data that I'm gonna show in the next slide will make it easier for my explanation, so it will make my presentation become more interesting. The topic is also hot because of every single day we gonna see and heard about pandemic COVID-19 from the social media and the television. This pandemic COVID-19 also have affecting every country around the world in every aspect, include our country Malaysia. From the bar graph, it shows the total cases of COVID-19 from each country on 19 April 2020. Based on the analysis data, there has quite a lot of country that got effect of COVID-19 like United States, Italy, Spain, France, United Kingdom, Belgium, Iran, China, Germany, and Netherlands. From the analysis data, United States show that number of cases on that day is 40,661. Italy 20,616. Spain 20,453. France 90,718. United Kingdom 16,016. Belgium 5,683, Iran 5,118, China 4,636, Germany 4,586, and Netherlands 3,684 cases COVID-19 on 19 April 2020. So as conclusion from my presentation, I would like to describe a trend of change on the graph. There a big change of number cases of COVID-19 in every country and make people die on every single day because of the disease. So we need to take care of ourselves and need to follow the standard operating procedure SOP to prevent us getting effect of COVID-19. So that's all from me. Thank you.